Customer buying trends can change quickly and result in overstocking inventory that you had planned to sell completely during a certain season, so featuring the most in demand but already low stocked items will help you with this goal. The problem is that with the normal WordPress editor, you have to edit your products one by one, which, of course, will take many hours. To help you with that, in this article we will show you how easy it is to feature low stock products using the WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin, which provides a spreadsheet where you can see all the product information, and you can edit it freely. In addition, it contains a tool to make advanced searches, another one to make bulk edits, allows you to export and import easily, and much more. You'll find the link to download this plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. The search tool allows you to filter all your products using various search parameters. In this case, we'll show you how to search for all shirts whose stock is less than or equal to 10. To do this, we need to open the search tool. We'll enter the keyword shirt here. Now we have to enable the advanced filters. Enter the field stock here. We'll use the less than or equal operator. And we'll enter the stock amount we're looking for as the value. Then run the search. If you want to search for your low stock products by category, start by opening the search tool. Select the category here. After that, tick the Enable Advanced Filters checkbox. Select the stock field. Use the less than or equal operator. And enter the stock amount here. Then run the search. You can also search for all your low stock variable products. To do this, open the search tool. Check here to search on variations. Now check here to activate the advanced filters. Select the stock field. The operator will be less than or equal. Now enter the stock amount here. And run the search. After filtering the products to be edited, we'll use the bulk edit tool to feature all of them on the catalog. First, we have to select the rows that we want to update. In this case, will be all the rows from our current search. The field to edit will be as featured. Select the type of edit set value. Now we'll check this checkbox. And execute. After these simple steps, the selected products will be featured. As you can see, you don't need to spend many hours editing our products individually, thanks to the bulk edit tool provided by the WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin. Now you can apply this and many other changes to thousands of WooCommerce products in just minutes. Remember that you'll find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.